This morning, when I reported that Tesla filed to become an electricity provider in Texas, which will make Elon Musk literally a electric power broker in Texas, there was one very important piece of information that I want to tell you. Tesla also told the state grid operator of Texas that it wants to build two giant utility scale batteries that will serve wholesale power companies in the state. A 250 megawatt battery would be located near its under construction Gigafactory outside Austin, Cybertruck Gigafactory, where Tesla plans to build Cybertruck and Model Y SUVs. By the way, look for my next report right after this, a new interesting update about Cybertruck Gigafactory in Texas, where Tesla is building the silhouette of Cybertruck. There will be a video on that. So also another massive battery would be located outside Houston, according to media reports, in March of 2021. What happened then? Tesla, best known as an electric car company, but the firm also has thriving business in battery storage, including utility scale battery installations to support the electric grid. Bloomberg reported in March 2021 that Tesla was currently building a battery installation in Tesla CEO Elon Musk's new home state of Texas. The project is in Angleton, about an hour south of Houston. Tesla hasn't publicized the project, which is operating under the name of an obscure Tesla subsidiary called Gambit Energy Storage. Now also what Tesla is doing in Texas is under the name of Tesla Energy Ventures. So when Bloomberg photographer visited a worker, discouraged picture taking and said the project was secretive, the project appears to consist of 20 large banks of batteries that have been covered by white sheets. Now let me go back to friends to this situation of 250 megawatt battery would that Tesla is building next to the Gigafactory Texas. So Tesla told the Texan grid operator that it wants to build two giant utility scale batteries that will serve wholesale power companies in the state. A 250 megawatt battery would be located near its construction Gigafactory outside Austin, where Tesla plans to build, actually is building, almost finishing, its Cybertruck Gigafactory, where Tesla plans to build the Cybertrucks and Model Y electric SUVs. All of this would be a significant expansion of Elon Musk's growing ambitions in Texas, to which he recently moved after abandoning California. Although Tesla did not respond to requests to talk about this new business by a reporter of executive affiliate with Tesla Energy Ventures, told the Texan Monthly reporter to try to tweet to Elon Musk, but Elon Musk has 59 million followers and hasn't talked about this much. So, after winter storms earlier this year, the Texas grid experienced widespread blackouts, leading to more than 100 deaths and billions in costs. Many experts blamed Texas' most deregulated electricity market, with over 120 players which were not prepared to handle the situation. 5 electricity retailers have since left the Texas energy market amid the disaster, and there are opportunities for other energy companies to sweep in. Tesla and Elon Musk is one of them. Texas Monthly reports that Tesla has officially filed with the Public Utility Commission of Texas to enter the market, as I reported this morning, and Texas Monthly also said that this will make Elon Musk literally a power broker in Texas. Not political power, but electric power. But who knows, maybe one day political power too. So here's what Texas Monthly said. The idiosyncratic serial entrepreneur who reinvented rocketry and juiced up the electric car business has established a new subsidiary of Tesla called Tesla Energy Ventures that filed in mid-August with the Public Utility Commission of Texas to sell electricity on the retail market. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has previously reported that the company has been an important surge in demand for Actually, the Tesla has seen an important surge in demand for Powerwalls in Texas following the grid's failure earlier this year. As an electricity retailer in the state, Tesla could create a virtual power plant out of its Powerwalls and solar energy systems installed at customers' homes to deliver electricity, not electric. In recent months, Tesla has been developing its own virtual power plant in California. I reported yesterday and 2 days ago that Tesla is entering the German power market and trying to decentralize the German grid, and a lot of people in the power grids are kind of surprised and kind of taking Tesla very, very seriously, but also a lot of local people taking it, welcoming Tesla, saying decentralizing the power grid would be a welcome move in Germany. So in its filing with the Texas PUC, Tesla also confirms plans for 2 massive battery systems to be deployed in the state, which I just mentioned. I previously reported on a Tesla megawatt project with a planned capacity of over 100 megawatt to be deployed in Angleton, which I just mentioned here, near Texas, near Houston. Now the filing also confirms that Tesla plans an even bigger 250 megawatt battery near Gigafactory, Texas in Austin. The one in Houston is 100 megawatt, but this is 250 megawatt battery near Gigafactory Austin. Tesla is going to be able to offer energy storage services to help stabilize the grid with those battery systems. Between those 2 big projects and a ramp up of solar and Powerwall installations in the state, Tesla could quickly become an important player in Texas energy market. Friends, I think in the next 10 years we will not only see our driving and mobility changing toward electrification, but also huge disruptions and changes in the energy markets, decentralizing things. So it's part of Elon Musk's vision for Tesla Energy to become a distributed global utility, and it could even outgrow its car business. Do you agree with this? I think this is a very interesting point. The PUC is expected to make a decision on Tesla's application by November, so look for some interesting news coming in November. So let me see how things will go. Let me see your thoughts, please. Your thoughts on this. I'll look forward to reading your comments, friends. And this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. You gave me your time coming to this channel. I want to leave you with some lasting values every day. So I'm thinking that from now on, every day at the end of my video reports, there will be some valuable, lasting message, friends. So today's message comes from Corinthians. Be on your guards in everything you do. Be alert. Stand firm in the faith. Be courageous. Be strong. We don't see courage going on a lot today in this world. And do everything that you do in your work and in your families with love, with selfless love. Have a great day, everyone. God bless you. Peace be with all of you. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and also ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And also please give us thumbs up and like this video if you found it helpful. God bless you and peace be with all of you. See you soon.